Hey people, what a nightmare. Okay, I came here this morning and the GopherHawk was not triggered. One of these little things was triggered in a hole over here. So I went over there, dug a big hole, and I found that there was this tunnel going towards here. And I put the new cinch trap in there, and the cinch trap has been activated within the last half hour. But I don't think it killed anything. I can't see the jaws, but I don't think it killed anything. So, so far no luck with the GopherHawk. Haven't used the box over there, the cinch trap. I'm going to pull it out right now. We're going to see what's going on. But I don't think it killed anything. It just activated. But I could be wrong. Yeah, didn't do what it was supposed to do. I don't know if I've got the wrong size trap. I don't know if this thing's smarter than me, or who knows what's going on. He probably closed up the hole inside there. I can't see it. So, you know, this is not going to be an easy thing to catch, but I am going to catch this guy over time. So far, though, cinch trap activated once. There are tunnels all over this yard from what I'm seeing. This thing has been worthless so far, even though I thought it would be good. I'd like to set up the black box, but I don't know if I want to mess with this. I want to use the cinch. I think I can catch him with the cinch. It is. So I dug a really huge hole. Maybe a professional probably wouldn't be digging the lawn up like I'm doing over here, but the tunnel went from here, went over to here, and then goes all the way back over there. So I don't really know what I'm going to do. I'd like to put the GopherHawk trap in there, and I'd also like to put the cinch trap in there. Obviously I didn't have the cinch trap adjusted or set up the right way, or else it would have worked. And here we are. It's cold out here, it's windy. His tunnel is open way up, so I'm sure he doesn't like that. I watch the videos and I see these guys, they put in these traps in these tiny little holes. So I don't know if this is a medium trap, but the jaws on here are huge. They're really big. So in the videos that I've watched, they barely open up the ground. They just put the cinch trap into that hole, and they seem to catch these things. I have absolutely no idea how they're doing that. Maybe you don't need to have this thing underground like I've got. Maybe you just need to have it at the hole. Put some apple in there. Hopefully he's going to be attracted to it. But I think he's going to come out. So let's give it some time.